In this video, I'll show you how to clear a paper jam on your HP LaserJet M209dwe or any HP printer that are looking just like this one. To know that there's a paper jam, usually the light over here will be orange. And if you're looking here, you're going to see a paper flashing in orange color. So there's a few ways to find the paper that got stuck inside of your printer. The easiest way is first, grab this, open up, and if you see any papers around here, grab it and try to pull it out. Another place you can check for a paper jam is under the printer. So take the printer, turn it this way, and here you're going to see those blue tabs. You just have to push this one up to release this plastic door. And here you may see some paper. This is the paper that is in the feeder. You can remove it like that. And if you see any other piece of paper stuck there, just again take your fingers and pull it out. You can also turn around your printer, and on the back you're gonna see here a small place where you can stick your finger, pull this door down, and again you'll be able to see if there's any paper stuck in the back of the printer or here. Usually once you're done, you just have to press this X button or this arrow button once, and the printer will clear the error once you remove the stuck paper. So this is it. This is how you clear a paper jam if you're having one with your HP LaserJet printer. There's 3 places you need to check, and hopefully it will work for you. Please leave a comment down below, leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video.